Hello guys, in this video we are going to show the working of AI based home automation where we can control the lights and the fan using voice based assistant. Let's start. Yeah, now I'm gonna upload the Arduino code. I think it's done. Yeah. Now I'm gonna run the Python script using PyCharm. Yeah, even that too. Then
Hey boss, this is Friday and I am AI assistant. Welcome back boss. Good night. Friday at your service, tell me how can I help you?
Friday, what is the time?
Time in 24 HRS format and is 11 hours 43 minutes and 19 seconds.
Light red on. Friday, light green on. Friday, light blue on. Friday, motor on. Friday, light red off. Light green off. Friday, light blue off. Friday, off the motor. Friday, go offline.
Yep, done.